Introducing our automatic round bottle labeling machine. A high-precision solution designed for efficient and accurate labeling of cylindrical bottles. With its precise positioning system, it applies full or partial wraparound labels to bottles in industries like beverages, cosmetics, food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals. With a labeling accuracy of 2 mm and speeds of 20-40 bottles per minute, this machine ensures smooth, wrinkle-free application using a spring-loaded pressure roller. Its intelligent sensor system prevents mislabeling. Adjustable speeds provide flexibility, and the modular design allows quick changeovers. Boost your production efficiency with our reliable, high-speed round bottle labeling machine, a perfect fit for your business.